Hey tech enthusiasts, today I've got some thrilling news for you. The Realme GT7 Pro, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, has officially outperformed Apple's A18 Pro in AnTuTu benchmarks. And guess what? The numbers are staggering. OnLeaks, in partnership with SmartPrix, leaked the AnTuTu score of the Realme GT7 Pro, and it's a whopping 25,991. To put this into perspective, the iPhone 16 Pro Max with the A18 Pro managed just 51,728. That's a significant difference. Now you might be wondering about the details. The Realme GT7 Pro is running a newer AnTuTu version, and there's the matter of Vulkan Graphics API for Android versus Metal Graphics API for iOS. Despite these variables, it's clear the Snapdragon 8 Elite is making waves. But it doesn't stop there. The Snapdragon 8 Elite has also bested the A18 Pro in Geekbench multi-core scores. This chip, utilizing Qualcomm's newly in-house developed Nuvia architecture and Orion CPU, is showing remarkable performance gains. Fun fact, Nuvia was founded by former Apple engineers who joined Qualcomm in 2021. Compared to the A18 Pro's 2+4 hexa-core setup, the Snapdragon 8 Elite boasts a 2+6 octa-core configuration and a higher top clock speed of 4.37 GHz versus A18 Pro's 4.0 GHz. It's clear Qualcomm has upped their game, and Android phones like the Realme GT7 Pro are reaping the benefits. The Realme GT7 Pro is expected to launch in India this month, and it's already generating a lot of buzz. With such impressive benchmark scores, it's poised to be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. Stay tuned, because I'll be diving deeper into this exciting development as more information becomes available. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. See you in the next one.